So have you recently been posting on TikTok and you actually like it? And do you want to actually start making money on TikTok? Well, the Creator Fund might be for you. But first, there are some requirements that you need to have in order to actually be a part of the Creator Fund program. And in this video, I'm going to tell you all those requirements and hopefully you meet them. Starting off with the first requirement is you must be at least 18 years old. You cannot be 17, 16, 15. You have to be at least 18 years old. And there is some ways of getting around this, like maybe using your parents' names and information, maybe using a sibling's or someone else's. But for you specifically, you need to be at least 18. The second requirement being that you need to have at least 10,000 followers. That might be a big shock for some of you, but yes, you need at least 10,000 followers. Which, if you really think about it, on TikTok, it's not that hard. Just post some good content regularly. The third requirement is you must have 100,000 views in the last 30 days. So, the last 30 days, 100,000 views. Again, is possible. All you gotta do is keep posting. Requirement number 4, you must be making original posts. You cannot re-upload videos. You cannot re-upload TikToks and expect to be in the Creator Fund. But if you do something like that, there might be a chance that you do get accepted. It doesn't hurt to try. But usually, they do not accept people that re-upload content. Fifth requirement is you must follow the rules of TikTok community. So you need to make sure you're being on your best behavior and not getting in trouble with TikTok in any sort of way. Because you want to stay on TikTok's good side, not bad side. Those are the 5 requirements that you need to be in the Creator Fund. And if you really want to get a lot of followers, then you need to be able to connect with your followers. And a great way to do that is include a Q&A box in your bio. And if you do not know how to do that, watch this video where I show you how to easily do it the fastest way, going through all the settings, showing you all the parts, all the sections, all on your mobile phone.